Him in there, him in there.
Him in there, big game, watch out! Now come over and take up Jenny like a fear one.
The shit they put on the don't talk them bumper card, they're not slung on.
$2,700 per person for going there.
All the kids them go.
The door?
They can't go far.
No, that's weird. No. The more they get fit all this morning.
Yeah, because they build the meat. Meat in that?
No, meat in that.
Don't search a woman's phone. Cause you will see what you don't want to see.
Me? Yeah, search it, you know, because I want to know.
Clean out a comeback of foreign, my love. Too young jelly.
Boy, now you make me float. Boy, really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you.
I want to
That's too much, man. Come here, laba. Just make one Jamaican and have chicken batty. Fucking chicken batty, them way you have so much.
At beer, you want? Oh, I forget to drink more liquor. I'm not one cheers.
Come. Maroon Town beer.
Wait, no, I'm a Maroon Town name. What the place name? What do you pronounce that? Catawol. Wool?
Cut that wood.
Wood.
Alright.
Wood. How would that?
Wood. Yeah.
Wood for you. Catawol.
Very tough. Cut that. I'll cool out to come out and pronounce that Catawol.
Yeah. Catawol. Alright, give me a cold beer. You know what I'm going to put right now?
Hey, very sleepy that like last night to me. You imagine
On
that?
the weed.
She had did something in there. What do you call that? Campari.
On a Campari, she drink a Roman lime.
How many takes a Campari she got sleepy last
Roman
night?
lime.
Well flat out.
We not sleep with nothing last night more than the text you so that it back.
So I'm going to show me the red something that I did. I said, yes.
Red?
How will never go?
I'm a Guinean with a rum and pimenta. Oh, Jesus.
Come back! Yo!
I saw rum up with it. Nigga. Come. Y'all gotta do a cheer. Come on, man. Yeah. Cheer.
Cheers. Cheers to beers. Cheers to beers.
No matter what y'all drink. Catawol.
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 I know that I'm around the something near me. See that? Cat.
Catawol.
Cat and wood. I know cat. A kata. Okay?
Catawol.
Oh.
Who said cat and wood?
Cat and wood.
Catawol. Catawol delicious. Extra hard boy.
Where is your name? You know my Ghana told. You know what you want? You want to live near the cigarette factory. That see it's a factory yasso? And you're there yasso.
Kill him.
Brother, because you have to ease up your lungs, man. Your lungs most tired. You say when you get older? Hey, you say you reach all the year 40s, you can't fuck pussy in your shot, every time kill you, you know, brother. Feel lungs one, feel lungs one.
You forget too young jelly nigga.
No, feel lungs one, come out. Yo, feel lungs one, come out and get a scrubbing brush and scrub it off. That your lungs black.
No, smoke it to 90 degrees.
We don't smoke. No, we don't smoke like always.
You know, no,
yo, big come by with 3 pack of cigarettes.
No,
10 pack. And 3 pack of what?
13.
We're coming with 2 pack of 10 pack. Oh, yeah. We're coming with 2 pack of 10 pack. 2 pack. 2. 3 me see in back.
What about the cigarette ashes?
I saw when they left from Kingston.
No, because that did smoke from either walk.
No, 2 of them did. No, it's my friend man left from Kingston. The man done one before reach Port Antonio. And then the man start run from Port Antonio to come at the 13-mile place.
And then he pull one yesterday, last night.
And he done that and then this morning 6 o'clock bigger was cigarette.
This morning?
Yeah, it's probably at the 6 o'clock. When you stretch bigger, I said, you don't have a craving? I said, no, me not have none. I can look like craving here to you. I'm big on the reach near 38.
Yeah, you game last night, I tell you.
He waited last night though.
No, me wake up and come out.
Not 29.
When I tell you, say, I don't mean when we get the one, then I don't get up a bigger.
Bigger? You have a pile up some bush on your place, man.
Remember you are roast fish or something like that.
You want me to say, big?
Because I'm washing the kitchen now.
You might have enough flour or something. I want chili in here. Tobacco chili?
You be 19.
Sausage and some wrong.
No, so we got eat. Oh, we got the cook food.
Because they get up early and never rice on
Him get up early and eat.
Me.
Big and go look about something there. Cup soup. Junkie get up and big and wash him foot alone. Oh. Him.
You know me.
He's not being that.
I know me last night.
He's not being that.
him beer this morning. Scooby dive. You don't know nothing.
I dive.
Fine, I can't.
I dive.
Oh, so we making 6 o'clock. But tell you what's up?
Yes, Birdie, my goat vessel.
No, but remember when you asked what's Scooby there, you said, what's Scooby there? I don't know what's Scooby there neither.
I mean, I tell you,
Okay, I say must be Nike car.
my goat has mirror.
That's a lovely one. Well, if I work in the first, I can kind of slow down. Yeah, go on.
I still not see it.
Yeah, maybe Portland. Double trouble.
Back up and boil up. But if you can't see it, you can't do it.
Yeah. And in them the situation that you can't lose weight, man. You're gonna stay big for your life. Bigger don't rush nobody.
Put near back.
Sean?
Yeah.
Sean! Stuff them good, right? Everything good.
I let them charge the plug in this one.
Alright, cuties, it's time to touch the beach. We're going in the beach in the rain. Make it make sense. But them insist.
I can see it.
You can't go like on the hot?
But not a alone.
On the hot? Bro, the two of them just say your back to eat.
He looked at his phone and saw hell itself.
Alright, cuties, we're heading to the beach. Which beach we're going? Winifred Beach.
What?
Winifred Beach. Yeah, in the rain, so.
I'm telling you, driving on the SFC road.
The road.
In a fat wall stuff.
The road.
So, brother, and I do that.
And I drive last night and all him dropping now.
Don't them stop them, man. Boy, he wasn't dropping.
A breeze there only up. No, wait, I go but look on me. Oh, wait, they're coming here, so.
What's this one, Brady?
That one is nice.
You ready for the rocket and
I love the color.
Yellow shop. That's what? Yellow shop.
The people that can't go a minute. So they can't go a minute without cigarettes.
Whoa, hold on.
When you're going to the town, they must night wholesale them.
Jesus Christ, me try.
No, that hasn't the money then.
How much?
Give it fly, hold on man. Christmas, boy.
Trying to make the ear pull up in the guys, but the people them not give me the look at AC for make me hear.
I want to take you on way now.
I want me here for...
Go up on the car top. Nah, Mr. Breeze then.
Scooby.
4 of them forget your job. 4 of them.
You don't think the car's not
I
there.
just try to ear
400.
from my tago.
That's it.
Let me tell himself to stop him. Should tell him to blood clot stop here.
Sometimes they do.
Try to look for fine.
Sometimes they do. Listen.
That's all in there?
And the woman still wash up themselves. I can't bear the woman them when they do certain work.
Yeah,
Them
stop
still wash up themselves.
So the man last, I should tell him stop here, me say. Full of shit.
Pick up on that again.
You got the dirt full of my place?
I go to my dad. This kind of old tattoo, you know. I want to carry that when I carry back that
Come here, which my point that kind of man about? Dirty not him phone.
This one.
He's coming over there and sitting there. You see them? Oh, see them there.
Why they scoop me off a while ago, man?
Eh?
Police them.
Police man.
And that was said to
You
him.
know traffic, you don't have traffic.
Eh?
You don't have traffic. How way back? Let's go there. Let's go there. Yo, but the woman, you know, fast, you know.
I saw me can't feel walk around the tablet, they don't lift in that car. You know?
You know what's there?
I come text it as a tire. I did too. Because when the door they lock, they come off. We never know how to do it. When I do it, they never lock good. So brick. Eh? Yeah, the door. Because when we are left now, I'm lock it. Every door lock. Say God, so I do it. Yeah, but you know my words like are different, so we never used to that one and wake us up. So we get frightened. Alright.
More police again.
The police ain't nothing nice at town here, man. Sham, me call you back, I'm out the police in nice at town here.
We're right, hey.
Yo!
Outside.
So we put on the phone to outside.
Friday for what? No, freak, man. I just don't like
You're
ticket.
Friday, man.
Because blood club on ticket for this.
Let your buy up. If you have 5 grand ticket already, maybe have 15 grand ticket. I'm just 7 ticket on my license, Scooby, I don't know about it.
Can you see police boy are paying for me? I'm paying.
Getting $50,000 in gross, we can also.
Hey, the amount of music I play, you can't
You know the only thing I like now bigger? You have to travel papers again. That I don't think we can allow.
and them just say, oh, them not accept fake car stuff
Whenever
there.
the plate.
This, they might come off of people now. They're just like America.
So be all the bank or what is it for yourself?
I don't see money.
So, Winifred, that we out.
Yeah, further out.
Jesus Christ. I know
Further
Winifred.
out is further out. Everywhere far for Scooby. Like you walk or somewhere?
You know me. I mean, if you walk away.
We man the ball.
You think you go around go look?
So, don't trigger to go?
Make it out back the
Yes, sir.
Jesus. Ugh. Oh. You don't want that nothing left them there. First of all, you tell we are come too early this morning to get with fish and you never come, so I do make you late.
Oh, but the fish not sell up so.
The fish sell.
Down here town and up so on I valley on there so me now wait for you.
You say you
Now
come
wait
to
for
me,
you
you
till
say
me
you
junk
can't
right now
plan.
me junk in.
You say you can't plan food, make breakfast. Jerky gonna tell this to me.
If you don't want fish, we get fish one night. Fish come beach lock down. Night come beach.
No, you the tight need too much to cut my neck.
That not too tight.
No, that good.
So the market lock already?
And the market is up on the seaside. As the fish tank, as the fish tank.
All theirs are so different.
The entrance to see pineapple or the river.
How much are you interested?
Entrance to a 2,700.
Per person?
Down here private. Really,
Oh, come over ready.
really spread beach and something.
Thank you, bigger. Thank you, bigger. Go say the sea road. Make Emma go.
I'm convinced your friend no come and put that in.
So he couldn't tell us the price. He must.
The man for carry go on beach or someone for enjoy himself. Where my carry got pay a beach?
2,700 for even if I tell about sea rough all type of sitting. Bigger say come, we're ready, we're ready.
Tired to pay her ass money.
I'm not them the one do the beach what so where PMP man a fight for. More pay 2,700 come in for the place. Who done this so?
Man says a private beach, $2,700 per person for going there.
The kids them, bro.
You know, the man said per person. The man no differentiate, no pitney, no adult, nothing.
Per person.
Well, if we can't find the beach, we go back. We fish and go back. The river very nice.
Look at the first in the sign tell us to park at your own risk.
All in sit
See
there.
this big old sign over the all I tell them so.
So you pay how much?
Anything I mean you have to take a vehicle you on your
Right now,
own.
the best thing we see right now, you know. When we want to go beach, better we just go up and buy the fish and just go up on the sea.
And go up on the river.
We go and cool out and have fun, you know.
And that me say we go do a fish them and do a thing
Yeah,
and
we go up.
Yeah.
yeah, cause we can't bother right now.
Can't forget Winifred are next.
So far the fish themselves.
Bigger! Tell him to wait for you to make a chat to him. Because
I will catch a fire down the river, down something aside, down fry the fish and down.
so then late that's how we could catch a fire down there, so.
We better catch a
And
fire.
go buy some good rum and some Campari.
Yeah, and go down by the riverside and know say yeah, well.
You don't want to go to the river? I don't want to go to the beach, but I don't pay the money for going to the beach.
Yo! How far Winifred they know?
Winifred? No, 20 minutes for answer.
Come on, when I say, better we just buy the fish, buy some liquor, go down by the riverside.
And go up on the river, go on the vibes.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, let's.
You think I don't get we are going to make it bigger?
No, me don't say something to you, but you them and look for me.
So where fish sells good?
Go back in the town.
Alright, cuties, that's the plan. Soon back at the site. Cuties, what's up? We just reached back at the campsite. We never get. I never know. It was just such a busy and chaotic day. It was just a lot. First, we couldn't get the money when we sent off. Then we ended up having to send a different money again. Then we have to drive round and round and up and down and round and round and round and round and round and round and down here, so in the town forget what we want. If you never see how my titty, oh hey! If you never see what I want down here, so instant blockage. But anyway, I'm hungry, we're all hungry. So we'll get some fish and some little stuff. We'll roast some fish and thing now. Yeah, so I'm just coming at 10 for chilling the clothes and updating if I want to go on. Because when the most I wonder, well of course I'm not wonder, but me there I wonder. I'm going to pick up the camera from 12 o'clock. It's now, I think it's like after 6. Dark outside. So we don't come back and go a river. But me I tell you the bagger up and down, it was too much. It was way too much. So we're not gonna bother. I try to hold the light here. Something on my eye. We're not gonna bother go river. Probably do it a man or something. But the frog them out are so bad, me not go down there so. I don't even want in there so with me right now. No. This is I can't hear the frog them. I can't hear them. I need to let the thing go before I'm jumpy, you know. Anyway, I'm change my clothes and go out there so. You not go down there? Bigger down that scale fish that me I go fast fun. Look come. Will nobody make frog near me alone. Let's go. Make a look out for frog, my love. Any frog out here? Well, let me put this one low like. You know, say picnic with me. Bigger, you know you're a frog. Bigger? You know you're a frog. You know hear them go quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Jesus Christ. So Bigger, suppose the fish wash away, you put on this out.
What do you wash it? Come here, I got them. I don't want to put them in a sealer.
Bloody God.
If you crab on me, I look at crab, you come up.
I like one and go over there.
No, you go right over there.
So the fish then got already or nothing? So Cuties Bigger go chef up some roast fish, right? Oh Lord, I can't take the water. Some roast fish. The bigger the fish are little low. They're not really little. You call them your fish?
Yeah, each one of them might be like half pound.
So we got some red snapper.
Some mangrove.
What name?
Mangrove snap.
Oh, that's an onion. We got some onion there, and we have some mangrove snapper. This is fish. Them are big. These are big as them. Me say we want snapper. We never say red. Snapper. Snapper. We say we wanted. And these are mangrove. Whatever friggin' is that? That's like a melt off and go in, no? You do what?
I can't go far. So I'm going to be waiting for the last time. I see swim.
No, no about that.
I'm so far and chuck off.
I never see, you can't say anything.
I don't chuck off. I'm going to say, just send them. I don't know where it is.
You go there, so you're not going there for morning? When you go there tonight, I want to see you go out there. So. But you're swim bigger, you're swimming in a real deep water.
I go there tonight still.
The water cold?
No.
They tell me
Maybe
something.
I work with the ice. I go cold.
You tell me something, I come back and relax in the water, you know. That's churn. The next snapper them? And I'm not ugly, no owl. Yeah, you see this? Them gill it turn. Then gill, or what they call it?
Gill.
Yeah, them turn black. Look on them, yeah, them pink. Them a whole. You have to go wash off with some lime and some things.
I use the lime juice on it.
Oh, lime juice there. Bring it to the owner. Cuties, me I look for frog. Frog. Ribbit. Last night 2 frog over this and now move. Who say you're miserable? Who say you're miserable? Guys? Ready water at it? Then get the cups out. Oh. So you're not making urine? You're not drinking before you start bath for your body. Not pee. You get urine already? What happened? You're too lie. Oh, she picks snacks. Right. The kids them are going to catch up them stomach, guys. Then good they have gas, you know. When the gas out.
Okay.
What is that? You eat with chopstick? You're bossy. But you go and sit me off in front to me, huh? Cause why? What the next room on the boom them there? What the bag with the liquor them? Oh. Over close them here, so. Cup with ice. You see my glass cup, Lucky? The lady over there can give me some ice? We'll find it. Want some ice? Anyway, cuties, I'm going to drink like a rum while them cook because I don't cook no food. Sorry. Oh my god. I really smell drunk shirt and echo. Rum. A little compori. Birdie. Birds. You know, cook. And a little boom. What's shorty? Right, yes, sir. This is Jamaica tea. Jamaican tea. We say them drink this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
When did something go up?
I don't know how my hands full of fish and I not scale fish. I don't really get it. I don't know when we can choke on it.
Yeah, okay. Come in, you come on. Cheers to my 5 left. 5 paper. Cheers to my 5 paper from you. You come on with flag.
Yeah, man. I'm bigger.
Yeah, okay. 2-5 paper. You hear what? What are 2-5? Ready?
Both of them up.
Both are just man. Both are just.
So I got struck with the fire, sir.
Where you get the files, man? Say what, sir?
Light the fire already?
You get the water, right?
Both of them, man. You the pepper?
Yeah, man. You don't want pepper too much. You can't put it in them.
I know. But you have a little touch of pepper.
Pepper, you can brush on the fish, man. No. Butter the fire, man.
Everything, all the creases.
Just butter the crease over here. Don't butter. One more.
So you do the canning? I don't know can.
And the in the day, water milk
Put them on the grill, man.
to fry the bun there.
Fish don't look bad, dog. Fish don't turn good, man.
Mango, you buy a whole ass.
Eh?
Mango, somebody will buy a whole.
No, you are the mangrove.
I don't see if you want to.
Yeah, man, we know.
And get food.
Fire ready, you know? Yeah, man, the fire ready. You know. Yeah, man, butter them like puss. So when that bigger, we put in that.
This?
Yeah,
Cabbage?
in the stuffing.
Cabbage.
Cabbage?
Okra.
Cabbage and okra.
Garlic.
So you never, you should, you know what you're missing? Some callaloo.
Me don't like callaloo.
So you don't like callaloo?
Me don't steam fish with callaloo. That me just tell mommy a while ago. And most people use callaloo, but me not steam fish with callaloo. You see me? We're man different, man. Can't follow everybody.
So two you know steam fish with callaloo, everybody feed cabbage. You see, you bigger. You know the bar side of Woolers, no? Carriel?
Yeah, Carriel.
Yeah, man.
Carriel man in again. If you look hard, stop. You may defend your boy.
Defend me? No, me mind no. Then any man can look man. If you woman want it, no say go.
Yeah, true.
Me get it, me I tell man, say a man I look woman and say, yo look woman so.
Yeah.
What's the man?
Clone of yourself.
You know real clown man? Only thing I want is suit, you know. Yeah, if you man rate her. Good. Cause remember the boy when she like she not tell about him, you know. Yes. I earth runnings, man. You can't stop. You understand?
Anybody should like you say, him look.
Watch out now. You have your cat, you know, but you see like up on the road, you see? You see a next cat, you see? We catch a eye.
Yeah.
So you the say, a next boy catch for your woman eye.
For real. Yeah.
And say the boy, you look good enough.
In our head.
Yeah.
I want shit inside to her.
The boy sleeping in there, me might text him too. You can stay there.
I don't like him already.
Okay. I earth running, so we're going to do about it. Don't worry about it something. As a killer, yeah, we just militant.
You're going to turn like the man that can't sleep in bed at 2 o'clock in the morning time. I walk straight.
Yes. Look here now. We can't tell a man say, don't search a woman's phone. Cause you will see what you don't want to see.
Me? I search it because I want to know.
You want to know? Me don't want to know. Look here.
I say me want to know.
You want to get strokes. That you run down, you know.
I don't run
Yo.
strokes. I bracelet. Because when I look, I expect something.
Look here. When I'm concerned, we leave it alone.
Alright. But I'm tell you, see, fool is always the last to know. Man, laugh off.
Me not feel looking at a phone for no. Because let me tell you something. You see woman you see? You see woman this nag it up there with a man saying he have like him emotion. Woman show more emotion. You see me say when you put in interest now man, you see? For your drop.
Yeah. See, no must job to carry some.
Listen what me say man. In can't too skilled because I'm a wicked man. Me find out that. Because I watch it every day, me watch in action more and more. What you say, man? Me not say nothing either. Me just did I watch it. Now I'm looking at no phone.
Me? Me I look.
Now look. When I look at that. Yes, when I draw feet, you know. Me tired. My back hurt me. You know, then time you know say house country get. As a man, you can't keep one girl, you know. Or you've got to keep one girl. You put all your egg in a basket. When the basket drop, what happens to you? All the egg them broke.
Moment you have 10 girls, moment to say you have a second door you get.
Good. As a killer, you know, so I'm just son. As in put on in gunman shoot him.
Hold on.
Alright guys, we're going to soak some bam in that. Difficult. I'm looking afraid of the frog them still.
You feel that frog them?
No, because you're not afraid of the frog them bigger.
No, I'm not afraid of the frog them.
This is our beautiful, beautiful host. She's so awesome. Hi. No, sound on the board. No, can play some game. We can play some game. No sound on the board, bad. Wow. May I get my content?
But the content that one here, no?
Sorry, baby. My
No,
content
but
is
that I can't take with you. No, but the content.
You can't tell me nothing. What the fuck there?
Yo,
For those who
Come
have
down.
been in Jamaica for a long time, a big people never feel first.
Yeah, this is your thing, all this.
No, this time I'm ready for no food.
When you're
Me
ready for
drink. Just cook by the stuff they want to give. Oh, what you want now? Jerky no one now. You can't get the pitney and stuff them on the table. But plate them there, them does right.
Feed them pitney here. Yeah, no plate around there. Go clean up.
Where fat them? They get the fat them.
Go on, you have a salad. You better from this one.
You don't need a bigger table. Well, stop on the little tiny table here.
And then something have a nasty at the place.
That me I say. The lady have so much plates around there.
Sartian.
Just, so them can't eat fish by themselves? Huh? Because you have to cut the film, the little one, them fish.
Bad enough.
Yeah. Big up my chef. Me just want you just do the thing so we can sit down and relax. Me don't want you have a like grill all night.
No, why
Like the grill is
no,
so
why
huge.
Everything, no, look. All of you for no cold can go there. All over here for no cold can go there.
So it's like mingle them there.
Yeah, so. Understand?
Oh. Well, I'm not ready for eat, but you know. When you
But come up there already, man.
no man, I'm not ready, man. I have to drink and go on. I can't ready for eat yet. You want a fish? When you finish, get one fish. Okay, sorry, bigger.
Where your fish at?
I'm not ready for eat.
I want you.
What is
You have gas?
What guess have to do with me eating?
I sign this. You eat.
What's that?
How are you saying? Where man already cook the ship there? The head feed. The captain, you have to wait until everybody eat before.
Nobody, they can't, no captain
Yeah, I
have to wait till nobody eat.
Yeah. And everybody come out for the ship.
Come out for the ship,
Yeah.
now eat.
So that you do?
Scooby, I'm not hungry right
Warm
now.
to your belly.
Me a chill. I want to sign this stuff.
You know what's in it?
Only me not eat for me. Scooby, we just name about 3 donuts.
So donut over again?
Do you want some steam, Kelly?
Yeah man, you got it away. You got crackers. Bring the dry bread come. The bird you talk about. But that's nice side. Fish body up.
Me just beg you for the bad word. Me just beg you.
Is something on there? Oh my God.
You're there again.
Cut out.
We can't cut out nothing if you keep.
Yeah, you have to tell people when you're bringing this, you know.
You see it.
Because you put it on the wall now.
So why don't make them sit on the table like that then?
Bread more eat also a fish and
I don't know why bigger because all that fish, the fish them so.
You want the fish head?
Wait till them done, then everybody eat. No, it just look weird. Some I eat and some I eat.
You think everything's ready when him come and serve it, so. Let's go eat already, don't need to put already.
Get us to the fish done
You
already.
really want the fish head now. That way it's nice?
But you know what, you don't eat fish head?
No.
Put it so put it on top of it.
Found this?
Yeah.
This is mine, you know.
No, it's not yours.
Yeah, so I'm ready one.
This is ready.
Yeah, don't scrape now, you don't see it done.
Eat it.
You don't see the man trying to eat his head.
You know eat it.
I'm not eating.
All the body you get too.
Alright, where the bread is? So the bread is dry. I'm gonna make it wet
So
tonight.
them a fight over the guy? No, sir.
We really can't eat the next fish?
If you get nothing, and next knuckle, and next Monday.
We don't want the top part. We want lower to the I don't want to say bottom part, but lower to the middle. This one is it?
At the bottom part,
I
yeah.
don't want the bottom part.
At the
Me say
bottom
low.
part,
I
more
say the
lower to
middle.
the middle.
Yeah, middle more.
Bottom is top and bottom.
Don't fuck man, I don't want the bottom.
The bottom. Where your bottom you get? Where you want
Yeah, I
to
don't want the bottom part. Cut out the part of him shit through and give me the rest.
How would that work? Ready, you're there, so. Yes, it.
Can you tell some of my family man? Maybe I eat.
When they?
eye.
When they?
See left on the fight. When you clap the eye.
See, can write this up? See there? Write this up?
This?
Yeah.
Eye?
Yeah.
Oh my days.
This can't come out of buckle.
Put it near the fire, make it melt. God and them spitting on, I'm not gonna close her. I don't know why. They are so massive. This one, you see this? A baby. To the one they want me see. Baby. Oh my days, he's standing. Come here.
Push it.
You did that lock to the key. Tell my youth. And just forward. No, nobody catch him. Nobody catch him. you. Come and know the audience so that's so fast. This is what's going on. I can't even see it proper.
They like it. Kind of like.
Crispy. We have milk the coconut oil. Ah. You gotta take him over there.
See the picture of the pipe, I'll lock it off.
You have salt? What do you mean by why and what? No, we are female right now.
My jump out.
Not your man.
I'll find water, man. Let's go start.
Listen, because don't start the flag.
No, he must spit.
No, sir. I might try to find water. So I might try to come out here.
So, what am I do? Take him up for real?
What the?
What I mean? What do you mean?
Why not frog afraid? Frog afraid of you, you know? Frog afraid of you, brother.
You're not afraid of me, you know? You're not afraid of me. You're not afraid of me.
Frog afraid of people, brother.
They didn't afraid of you.
Come here, take him off from me. I take him off. I'm not afraid of him. Take on the frog.
You bigger. I see you better. No, I see you better if you take up the front. Burn like all the music. Because this is what happened tonight. Hey! Cuties, listen now. Look at the music now. We'll try our first front. I don't know the first front. Hello. Well, on the camera, I really want to battery a dead permit tonight.
Catch some frogs. Because I'm not depend on the foolishness in the dark. I don't want to be the one for hold the camera either. Wait, you don't seem good. I don't want to come no closer, bro. Yo, who? If you jump on me, the camera would have mash up. Wait. Oh, yes. Crime down. They're spitting a bigger member. What is that?
Oh, you mean that?
You mean there? You mean there?
You mean the bigger member?
Yeah, man. Bigger. My dad gonna afraid of frog? Why, bro? I'm not afraid of frog. Catch a frog. Yeah. But make sure I'm secure here. Me not even want to hold the light.
Then when you see me, you're done, bird.
Virgin, right now, I tolerate.
The frog miss the king, the frog man. Yeah.
They need something to cover the box.
No, we not cover it.
So all the
You
frogs.
didn't have a jump on, idiot.
We not jump up, man.
Didn't man the frog just jump out. Oh, you have to walk in and go straight over the tent.
You have a whole back slant, so.
You're not going to jump out.
Give the dog one
I'm
bag.
going down with the broom.
With the rake.
Yeah, with the rear. Oh, ain't that?
Virgin.
Well, Cuties, enough. I'll give you a little minute. We'll take a break. We'll try to catch a frog, alright? We need an intermission. The frog hard to catch. The frog rough and get so everybody afraid of the damn frog. Everybody afraid of the frog. So, we'll go back at it again because one frog I jump on Scooby tonight, him sleep too much. Who come camping and sleep 24/7? This man I sleep for we reach here yesterday. No, I love it, not gonna work. Frog I jump on here tonight. One way or the other. Yeah.
The DM. Big out on the yam in a call. You have to say for yourself.
What I have to say? Big up on yourself.
I say it on the yam in a call.
Yeah, we are roast some yam food.
How's my friend?
So what me do?
You're not afraid, you're a man. You say you're a man.
Stop over the blood clot.
Stop rubbing the light. Where's that from? One.
It's fine. Make sure I'm staying at the box, bro. In the round of the tree round there, so. Down here, so. Let's see him. Right there, so indeed it. You must have jumped gone, let me tell you, man.
I know why that's come. The guarantee 500 minutes on the step. If you don't come over here, they get king again.
Who do come over here then? You need it right there, so. And look, the same one only that they don't see him over there, so. Jesus Christ, hallelujah. So one bigger one out there, so. Hold him down. No, come to me, come to me. What do you mean? Yeah, come too fast, dog. No. No.
My girl, move now. Put it in another room, another tent. Put him on it. Let it in. Rich. Where do you want me to? Wait. Look at Scooby. Left it. Come move. Come. On the bed and put it there? No. Can't Scooby. Can't Scooby, okay. Watch out, nobody not talking about me. I'm not going there, so it's not really matter to me. See what you're saying.
You like it?
Call him? I'm not going to Scooby asleep.
I'm not ringing for him.
Where did you get the sheet? The next room.
That can't jump in a way in the sheet. You're going to someone stay one place.
Somebody go video. Go video and call. Go video. Junkie, go video and see what you can do. I come with me and you. Hold the camera on the light.
Come bigger.
Hold the camera on the light. Come now, John.
Bigger more firm.
Come bigger. Junkie, come now. Come now, please. Hold the light.
Oh, my days, God.
Rastafari, come on. See, this is from jump out like time.
Where?
We are not.
I look in my tent.
Not this.
Bigger? Bigger, where you want?
We don't have to share the sitting in there.
So when put it?
Emma.
But it's a raspberry can't fight.
So where to put it? Scooby, one frog going over there now? What the blood? No, I swear. No, see the frog climbing there right now.
Oh, fuck.
I swear to God, dog. Look in there.
But that's three frog, yeah. Yeah, Scooby. Let me pass what she is.
I'm afraid of them pussy, brother. I'm afraid of tape on bomb.
Don't go feel the man.
Oh, you did it for leave.
Pipa.
The right scrum.
What? Give me some. Yeah, Scooby.
Give me a stick, no, man.
He never real.
Give me a stick. I'm texting that Joe. I'm sleep, man. I'm sleeping in the room. I'm tired, no dog.
So if you left the seat, no open.
Yo, bring the light.
Bring the light, bigger.
I'm afraid of them bomb.
You might jump still? Jump, make sure.
I want them to make bomb. I want them to make some jump in that place.
Because we have push me more for bigger.
Junkie, the video don't right, man.
Don't get iron.
Bigger your tent mash up. In the right hand foot now? In God, what? The f went up. Don't fuck in the you.
Can't breathe. Can't breathe.
All of the refund gone. All of, you not tear up? Scooby. Scooby, I play tough. Scooby, I play tough.
Should that be a video?
I feel like my neck broke. Somewhere broke. Like something broke. Is that bigger? If one frog ever come near me to roast me, I fix tonight.
I love you, girl. Ah, see. They look funny, but I see.
Make sure to tell them me, not a part of it. I'm not going in it. I'm gonna run up and down and I kick and I drop out this.
Why? Why you not run up and down? Cuties, look at that pancake. That pancake look like it backfired. We don't know. Scooby go!
And I'm telling people that's going to rock the frog pound.
Scooby get brave and Scooby take out the frog and chop away. No, you can't make him know that. Yo.
I think I want big frog and I put it in.
That's why I'm not afraid, birdie, because the frog little.
Anyone ever listen to shot catch, man?
First of all, you never will catch none, so be quiet.
So if you're not going to prank, oh, they're not see that little frog in our video. Yeah, but that is so smart.
If me wake and see a tadpole a problem, much less, nothing will turn in a frog. What is? I almost break my toe. So I bend my foot. Me not think Cherokee catch me and run up and down. Cherokee run too. Me not think Cherokee catch that. Oh my God! Somebody is birdie should up here saw a video.
Bigger, the camera.
You're the big afraid of the camera too.
No, we're afraid of Scooby saying
Shoot this yeah, man. Can't bother. Me try. Prank enough for we. I'll see. Alright, look here. Enjoy my love. Chef go with himself. It's all like a salt, man. You know no more. Where do you want to taste it? Top man. Go. Back it out. But no, look what I nice. Not to talk, chunk it up there. Wrap it up in there. I am the ones come craving. This is why people know the prank. Everybody afraid of a back. Everybody afraid of nobody know want to sleep now. That me a talk about. I the sheet and anything close and gone. Big in it. Got my foot in there? I don't know who throw the frog, but I got my foot.
Ask who throw the frog. Throw it on there. I wouldn't put the frog in there.
No, you're trying.
Randomly come in.
Then I brought my foot when you throw the frog outside. You dash the frog out and you see me there. Or something, I don't know, but you throw him out for me. Come here, try to look see if you're alright. Take up the camera, I want to flag it. I give Jerky camera and say flag it for me and Jerky for it.
Say a black, that's something like going.
Of course.
It's not black.
Of course it's black.
Oh, make sure. It's not black.
Hello, it vlog. You never
can. I'm a shot.
First of all, when I shot the tape, then body I'm a shot the head. Jerry can't run me and then body I run, so that like a
Say you run for the front with the camera? Yeah, man, you know.
That's it's me. so much.
Tell the scratcher.
Yeah. It can work out
Back out now.
some time on. Now, another can dirty here.
At the man tent. Ah.
Oh, you feel like? You feel so much, sir.
Get the lotion it. Like get any lotion at all, you want anything more? I want no one there.
So now I'm going to
Yeah man, call Scooby this little frog killer. You feel like you're my somebody. Mr. I'm afraid of lizard.
If I'm cooking, not any lizard, the cooking running, I see it.
Jerky a sweet ass lotion dish man.
I feel like
Body butter.
Yeah, but this can't get rid of the scratching. Salad solo. Like which then?
Yes, Scooby.
No, that no. That in the blood clot going dead. Can't tell us it. Yeah, but the bus stop never sleep. Man, no. When we fuck, we not fuck with Crocky. Why? Because him a go run.
Run him, I got jump.
I'm gonna do something.
But he can't bite. He can't bite, he can't do nothing at all.
So can't bite?
Then we don't know, they can't spit on you.
Scooby say, cooking.
Yo, you say about cooking that?
that mash up.
Mash up.
Still a scratcher. It needs nothing in their shirt. Wake me up.
Want to see?
At 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
Like you've been cooking up a storm. Oh, you in the rubbish man and I'm going to empty this. Yeah, it cut me a grow. Morning, guys. Good morning, cuties. I'm tired till my voice gone. Seriously, I'm so tired. Oh, God. We need a whole day. 2 days, 3 days, maybe 4. Of no work. No work whatsoever. That's what we need right now. Anyway, it's our last day here. We just got up. Jaruki's making breakfast. What are you cooking, Jaruki?
Chicken, dumpling, and sweet potato.
Bamba, pots on stomach. Stewed chicken. Stewed chicken in a pot. Smelling good. I smell it from way down the river. From way down the river. That's how I want to eat my fish.
Whole heap of dumpling.
I can't hungry for go you.
You can swim, swim. Swim, swim.
So I'm going to swim. Go to the river now.
Yeah.
That's why I go river go bathe and catch the cold. Swim. And then all our stuff them in your pack up?
Yeah, my wash up. I can use it, wash it.
Okay, that's good. I need water. I need a water or something. Yeah, guys. So, that is it for the day. After we're done swim and eat, we're going to head back to Kingston. One, two, stop doing the face, now. Sister, come on, thank you, man. Come now. Burns.
Yeah, river.
Yeah, come now.
No, we left it from here. Cool off, man.
No, you're not for cool off. At best time for going to river. I want the cool to your back.
Yeah? Are the heat over here?
And the heat in the heart. Yeah, man. Because you're not supposed when you go to camping on the week 6 o'clock. So why you still in the very tent? Right in camping is a night thing. It keeps you warm in the night. You're not supposed to in at 10, 5, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock a morning time. 11 o'clock when you still at 10 to lie down. Then you must burn up. So you're afraid of a frog jump in the toilet?
No, say frog now already have to know. Frog now already have to
I lie, this morning Scooby and Scooby out this I say, I will make frog up. I make so much frog run food tent. No. I said no. You didn't hear him? Kill me dead. Him think we don't run out. But my idiot. Why would I run out when I know the frog they can't come in and tent? Must be crazy.
I want to find it.
So
Come here one day now. Oh, the frog will jump so high.
Yeah. So how we put the frog in that tent. Yo, when Scooby see that video and went he went piss up himself when he saw we frightened him.
Sorry.
No, sorry for only because you included. You was here. You was right here. Anyhow, we remember Scooby last night and the police come and you got in prison too. Yeah. That they tell you.
They're not cussing me.
Conspiracy.
They know me out of prison. They're not going to cuss me.
Hey, we say last night, you want to put the head back. Break the left hand, sir.
Thank you for that.
I want to hear.
Frog not spit for true. Is a myth?
I'm fucking on my top, brother. You want to see a frog spit?
I never stay near nor long enough to know if a frog can
You
spit,
watch a
but
video
that's
and
what
see
me
a
hear.
frog
Me never, me know.
Now come over and take up jelly like a fear one. And you say man do that big go long. The bigger 3 months pick up the side. Where? Bigger 7 when I look on that you know.
Tell them what we are doing now.
Yeah, we go for the cup last night. Come back, that one the bus. Hurry up, let's go eat up here now. Yeah, drink, wash off your ass. Dash my whole life. I eat more water to drink, come go pick up last.
I don't want to drink to come catch it.
Scooby well lost there.
Remember Scooby get film already?
No.
Yeah.
Why am I forget that something about bus up?
You're
Hey,
drinking
remember
part
tell you,
one.
you always want man, don't gonna come tell me about to get someone before.
Scooby well cut last.
Junkie, where you're cut last year, you have to keep us free.
Because you're tired, bigger switch anti-rotting.
Some bigger climb the tree now? Climb the tree, Scooby.
You saw the tree are short. Scooby, you come dig it. You come. Am I the one over there, sir?
Yeah, get that one.
Yes.
Right there.
Scooby, climb the tree, come. Seems bigger for climb the tree. You climb the tree.
Watch him drop it and bust it.
What?
Boss?
You gave me if it was.
Watch out. It boss.
Right there. I can't catch something, you know.
Rotted.
That's why I'm stay on that tree.
Remember stone here about Kane for stay on the tree. Then you climb the tree and bust the jelly.
Hey.
But never see this yet. I bet you had to use the stick.
Ah, you have to catch it something.
Come chop on that jelly, give me. I never want to hear your mouth. Come straight food, no come.
Don't you drop that for me. Oh, can you use?
Let me go on video because I'm going to
So late.
fetch
No, never can't so late.
Can go one now. You're one it.
So my food, what she doing?
A 2 solid dumpling again. Give me that young for sure. Give me my squeeze up now, water.
You can't tell no one there.
Right, mama. Young.
You know, bull man in the game,
When the?
oh, no.
Oh, cow.
But everywhere up you have cow.
I said it. Can't reach anywhere, man.
Boo. Yeah, man, you're not afraid. Say you're not afraid now. Guys, there is a what that bull down there. Oh, you zoom in it.
Just fuck it. Just draw you, just like that.
Hey,
Catch up on the stomach and let's go. Get it?
come catch up with stomach.
Ellie, come now, I want to taste some. Ellie, sit dumpling. What am I one day? Chop already?
Put them out right there.
Chop it for me then.
Yeah, young enough.
No business. It's not enough though.
Enough water in there.
Full.
Tell me, I tell you. And if you have a listen to every single time.
Pussy! Jesus! Bigger straight down behind that garbage chin.
That's right.
That mean no meat none of them.
Then that one little young.
You want a big though?
Young
You can make them have a dumpling them and again and over there, sir? You don't want a dumpling?
Hate them.
Go and go eat some over there, sir.
Give me a wash off hot boy. You know, young.
We said the jelly full of dirt. But nobody wash out the jelly with dirt. Look how big her face wet.
What you say, deal blind?
Yo! Bigger Kevin man, bigger can give me some of urine, yeah?
Yeah, done it.
Bigger full.
You're full.
Can't go no further. Bigger one sweet. Bigger wicked.
Not a sweet can.
Sweeter than them there.
Like more fitter than them there. Morning. You guys can find out. Let me show you. We not play and get it again.
But man, look there now. Apple.
Nobody burn them up.
I'll have to feed it where there's a good time. Far from hospital.
Come see school there little. I know me in the hospital.
Hey.
Then Craig got church.
School in the
Yeah,
right
more.
side.
Every corner is a church. Every corner is a church. You must reach out.
I tell you, I'll drink me a drink. When you come like the more the jelly them grow, like the more they get fitter, the smaller inside
Yeah,
them get.
yeah, because they build the meat. Meat in that?
No, me tell you. No. I say, but I know me are looking at still full. That's my one of you. So me can't put knife for until I come for a rock.
Ox.
Come put this knife fish until we come for ya. Ah, come on, sir. We're not all them are done yet. No, our pan, come on.
I got shop here.
You hear that? Wash off my little heart. Clean.
I want your chest to walk.
Clean out to come back a foreign, my love. Too young jelly. Nothing more.
Yeah.
We had to go shop bigger?
Yeah.
And look how the sun at up here, so.
See there, that's our the push.
Or the push.
Watch me. Watch me now, just watch me now, just watch me.
Yeah, no, weird.
Scooby, you can't stand up out there? You can't stand up out there?
Yeah, but them can't do it.
It's not better?
Yeah.
It's not bad then. Walk come down in the middle part, yeah.
Oh, don't mess up with my ras.
One hole, them and I say, I tell you, so you have to look. Look when you step because it stop you so. It can't that deep. Swim come down there. That's not that deep, come here see the bottom. So Emma, we don't take off on the shot now, but to Nina. What a walk, what?
And I'm back on my feet.
So we're going to take off a shot? Why?
Time. No, no, you can't swim. Only a minute. Come in here, come take a dive.
Come in here, come take a dive. And my wig want to come from my head and I just put it on. Go and go swim. There you go. Wanna go on? Go on, I water here. Don't never in I water yesterday.
Yes, you were. You're just extra now.
Come over here so a little bit. You! Now take a picture, go there, sir.
Wait, we have
Go to this,
we
sir.
have to come. You have to come.
No, me take a picture of me and come. Huh?
When you come,
Pan this. What's that we say?
If the water warm, she knows somebody peeping. Let's just say. Wanda!
Scooby has said deep.
Scooby have sense? Scooby don't try it. Me I tell you say you can't see the bottom there, so it's impossible for too deep. Down in there those pretty burns. Try to push your back little. Pretty little baby, wagwan. I think that should be able to catch everyone this Sunday, right? Huh?
No, okay, and
I'll be back, that's broad.
There must be a man carry on.
No. Should we take off? The baby there, when they look fine one day. Oh, you don't get something and scrub off in the slippers then. When the cracks them turn black. You never have the pink cracks look so yet. Scrub them off in the water. Ice and come on. Ice and
Yeah,
come.
yeah.
Say that challenge.
Don't move, don't move, don't move.
Scooby, where you have to go, eh? Huh? Scooby! Remember you have to my foot for me. I should have
Don't talk them.
I'm not slung in nothing like that. Don't be there.
Scooby.
Where is it?
You look like bird.
I'm stone right there, so.
Where you go?
Bigger.
Water nice, no?
Yo, carry my phone with them. I'm fine.
I don't me say, yeah. I turn in phone. I turn.
Oh, wait, give me your phone.
Come here.
No, that's how quick one. Yeah. Carry your one.
My phone, I want to go.
Yes, carry when I want to phone.
I want to Scooby.
I'm ready.
Yeah, but you go, but you can't
My
get
one
one
can't
quick.
see me with drone.
That's what's Scooby. You know, long me have to wait and me have to beg and plead to get one. That's right.
Scooby.
And I want a new.
And I want
So if you go in there and go up,
yeah. But that depends insurance, you know.
Yes, I forgot in the water.
I forgot in there.
No, about the phone. I'm cash this. Cash. But I want to catch it with the insurance on it. No. I want my phone to cash, yeah? Yeah, but people buy phone and put insurance on it, same way, cash. I want to keep my team. My phone to clean it. Yeah, big tuna. And I Jamaica and buy it for 400,000. But I look. Well, I don't really want to underwater shot.
You go on, no?
This is nice.
Chance it, man, not nothing.
If I drone again. Where am I run? You might run.
What the hell?
Me want to wash. Me want to wash me body. Lots of body. Empty body. Good body. Scooby, let me be.
I want to be then.
Hey, I've already took out of the pot of
A little bit of food.
You hungry? You ready? So ready to go to water?
No.
I'm not that hungry, man.
That's how I get the prep up.
Yeah, we got to prep up a while ago. Prep up.
You see what it is. Hey, when they get coming, something that wants to see no case.
You know them? Seven o'clock for reach us, 7 hours for reach yourself for settle down. The co-pass. Yeah. Yeah.
I want to go on. Turn it on. You know, this might be a funny part.
No, I never. It's so pretty.
What's that? What is that?
You can't stand up there, so Birdie. You can't stand up. Your body too light. You can't stand up, you know?
No, you can't stand up down here for real. You can't stand up.
No, you stand up on the stone, don't stand up in the middle.
No, I don't let me go in there. Help me out.
How much you go again?
This look rich.
Cuties! It's nice. It's nice out here. What do you cook before you come here for? Birdie man, I come for a potting. All Birdie man up and I dumpling them. She can't swim in peace. Yo. Look what a nice. I'm trying to make the wig leave. Where you go?
Where I get you?
All you too? So everybody I leave, everybody want food. You alright? You want to go up too? Cool. Oh, sure, baby. Are you ready? They want to come up, they're hungry. You not go up? Huh? You want to bed first? Then bed. You're going to bed too. Ready? You're going to share it, you know? But now I can't manage. I'm going to go fresh. Which of them do this? And then nobody can share enough food left? Because you want to share when you're done? When you're done, share everybody food, yeah? See? So I'll probably lock it up, wait. You know what I mean by when I put like... No, what that? I want that. I want to put that toothbrush there. That means share everybody food. Y'all can't share? I feel like I trying to put in that water wet. Now yes, wet. It stink too. Let me come and put it in the dam. Go wash it. Go wash them out. No, but you want it when you go home. You know what? I don't know. Feet stink every day. I don't want that day. I don't want it. I want it out, but I don't want it. What happened? I never see that yet, Birdie. I never see a ear of that yet. Emma, a pants you have a bed with? Oh. Smell it again, Zen. Smell it again, Zen. Zen, say never mind. Hello, no, put look at soap. Put look at soap. See soap, they put look at soap on it. At this point, they need to dash. I carry one bag of garbage bag. Am I one them? Oh no, one little me could take a pause. I can take a deep breath. I am I toothbrush of backfired. Am I toothbrush of backfired? Yeah. Oh, you wash out your pants, Lily? Good girl. The pants smell bad? Actually wet. But everything smell bad. I walk one. Smell like smell like Irish Spring. So we Birdie, you to buy some too? Oh, the road.
Because grandma always carry the big pack of toothbrush them. I can't manage them toothbrush them. I need thick toothbrush. The foreign toothbrush them. But sure. Smell better? Smell better, man. You know say you have a beard, mama? Me have one little white rag down here somewhere, Emma. You see me have one little white rag somewhere? How for them will leave a big green rag here? Ooh, take up and watch me. Me have birds, so me to worry about. Anything we can do without. Jaja make it start out. Happy workout. All of something. Listen, cuties. It's a lifestyle moment. We're happy. Yes. Alright, we're gonna eat. When we go back upstairs, you go upstairs, right? Now, when we go back up the hill to eat. My link on the back. He says, Scooby, if you don't cost a bad one, you feel righteous in life. Don't it? Big caramel dumpling punches.
And them are going to eat this and you feel like going to eat KFC?
Them are going to eat KFC. May I tell you, them penny Scooby? No. Alright, let's see. Make us see how long we're going to drive before everybody say they're hungry. Yeah, throw it out in the cup. So how you going to give them it? You can't give them it. The cup they run every day the place.
Birdie, what you say about the food? It nice?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, good job.
Say it again.
Chef.
No.
Papa, just food, please. I'm not ready for the food.
Who you have to food with? Every time people go get every feed. Who you have to pick up? Where you can't feed up? Where you can't feed up?
No, they get the Pepsi. One of them get one Pepsi. I get 2 cups because we're not going to drink it for real. Emma, what you say? It tastes good? What you say? Just my cooking. How my cooking gone? Who? How old are you? Okay. Last time we were proper, you sent me a man. You're a big woman.
Jabba sleep. You don't want to be how you dead.
Cuties, we're heading home. Back to Kingston. You have a bill out here, Scooby.
Man, some man come out of the road, brother.
So now you deal with the countryman them, you know, for them place there.
Right, that's what's cool.
They might read your lips.
Buy 2 come here,
Chopping.
I want people that are smoking, brother.
Look who's talking. Yeah.
I don't know my back.
Cuties, we're heading home, okay?
Scooby, buy a tough bag juice.
Maybe
buy a water.
Maybe I'm picking up back on the way. If we stop now, it will make sense. But if not, this is it for this vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new. Let us load on there. Let us load on there.
I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit down and one on the lap.
You have 2 bills? She can't sit on them lap and travel in a car seat.
No, but you have to sit down on the seat.
So she sit down on the seat before.
I thought she stayed.
She can't sit down so for go town. You sit down on the seat,
Come over. Fix. Boss problem.
May you sit down now?
Not even the dung in the seat neither, so you can come over with the hip.
One bag up on the seat round there.
Back up on the seat, though.
No bag up on the seat.
Come in, I'll carry the cola down. You never want to fill in the river. Scooby, where water?
Water too?
No.
Cool.
Cold water. Look how them river you wine.
Tree.
Where? Mama, for a tree?
Two river meet the same. The river will come out and one will come up.
Anyway, everybody, let the vlog know. Bye. Bye.
See you.
A 1 month make
See you
year.
next year.
Say, peace, love, cocoa bread.
Bring them, man. Bring them.
So for the
Everybody can say bye. One
See
good,
you
nice
next
bye.
I'll be a school face when I back. I might slap up everybody around there.
Want to come say bye to the vlog now? Let me get one good goodbye.
Bye.
Bubble no. All out, Emma, Zoe, Zen.
Goodbye.
Alright, it's alright. No one to send me by myself. Anyway, cuties, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys are new here, do not forget to subscribe, okay? Like the video, comment, make me know what's going on, and share. Yeah, all those good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. But let me say, if we stop that we're important or interested, I'm gonna pick one up back. But if not, goodbye for now. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye. Cuties, Hungry Tech, we have a KFC. Well, we reach back in that town. We're just reaching that town. So we stop at the KFC for them. Say line long. What's that on a zinc bumble? Big I reach up already for real? What big are they? Think you reach up there, so sorry, me, sorry. 4 more parts in front. Or 3. Now count right. What is that I get now? No, it's a bucket, but the 21? One of the chickens, one thing. I don't have none of that in here.
American have dinner?
I want to know something. Just good at 10.
What's that one flavor?
Mix. How much are the box of fries?
What's the box of fries?
I will 2 large fries.
The absorb themselves.
You sell 2 for ice?
Can make a 2 for ice.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
4 5.
No biscuit.
9 5.
Biscuit.
How much biscuit?
500.
10 6.
That one, you know?
Yeah, hello, which chicken you eat or need anything? Everybody want barbecue? Cuties, newbies, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this long ass video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the vlog if it's possible. Watch your ads or 2, I'll appreciate it. And like the video if you want to like the video. Just give me a thumbs up, guys. It's free, I'll appreciate that. Alright, cuties, love y'all. Thank y'all so much. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to check out part 1 if you have not yet seen it. I highly recommend it. Alright, bye.